Welcome back to Hilltop. It's really at this point starting to get an idea. So now it's starting to take shape. So these are the boards, I suppose. Usually they're done in wood. The guy seems to be quite professional. So these are some good amount of kit. And what they're going to do is they're going to come in and they're going to basically cover all of this in concrete as the foundation, and then do some sidewalls. You'll see on the edge over there, there's a little board that's gone out a little bit. Presumably that's something to do with the support for the A-frame structure. And that's the architect why it's on that side. You've got those. But yeah, I mean, this is now where it's getting really exciting. I mean, it's 4:30, so of course all the workers have left. So we'll be looking at them tomorrow. It'd be interesting to see how they fill these little holes that are left by the sizes. I'm assuming they have some kind of Lego kit which they can come in and sort of plug and keep going. But then, it's going to be set about 40 square meters, and apparently in one of the lorries you can get about 7. So it's going to be, 6 or 7 lorries worth coming in to fill this in. Also, we need the rebar coming in as well. I'm presuming that's what these things are for. So there's these things that we can see. These are, I think, they go underneath. So then the rebar sits on the top of these. And these are you've got a wonderful kind of bolt gun. So he puts these on the floor in the right place and boom, huge great big bolt goes into the concrete, which is quite fun. Do some damage with that. So yeah, proper movement, proper changes, everything happening. Wonderful.